2004 Toyota Sienna. Replacing the manifold heat shield or insulator. The old one here in my hands. You can see the top and the bottom. We can look on the back. You can see the rust where the bolts are supposed to be, the bolts and the nuts. The bolts and the nuts holding this are both 10mm. You've got one on the top here, you can see right there at the end of my finger. That's 10mm nut. On the bottom, you have a 10mm bolt. Both are easy to get to. This one you can get to from the top. The other one, you're going to need to, it's probably going to be easier, probably, to lay down on your side and just reach up. You can see there's a hole here, so it's very easy to get access to it and get the bottom one. You could potentially, if you have a deep socket, without too much trouble, get it from the top. I think it was easier for me to lean over, so whatever is better for you and your back and whatever, make life easier on you. But 10mm and 10mm. I'm going to show you the part number that you need on a 2004 Sienna. And you can see here part number 25588-20020. This is the insulator for the manifold, and when I got it, it was $51.71. Obviously your prices are going to be different, but if this part rusts through on your Sienna, this is a super easy repair. Make sure you wait until your engine cools off, because the part it's shielding gets up to 230 degrees easily and you will burn yourself. All the neighboring parts are going to be very hot, so just watch out for that. So make sure it's had a couple hours to cool off, and maybe wear some gloves, but 10mm, good wrench or ratchet, and you should be set. Hope you have a blessed day.